Hey guys, I'm at Yokosuka. The reason why I'm here in Yokosuka is to get this special sandwich called ZACRO Special. This bakery is located in Yokosuka. This is the best one bakery, and you have to try this one. But this one's hard to get it. This location is in the residential area called Highland. When you take the Yoko, which is like a Yokosuka Yokohama toll road, you get off the Sahara exit, you make about a 10-minute drive home from the right from the exit, and going to the residential area called Highland and left. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. This is a very unique location that they are located in the residential area. It's not, so it's kind of hard to find. So you need to set the GPS and your map. As you can see, there are so many variety on the sandwich too. The reason why I always choose for the ZACRO Special, but you be careful that the ZACRO Special, this is very popular the sandwich special that you run quickly. You have to do the pre-reservations. So this is mine. They have like a A, B, C set. This mine's like a C set. Has like the slice of like chickens and the dried tomato inside, and the right one is all the baked vegetable and the bacons. On the left is they have the bread pizza. Yeah, it's called the bread base like a pizza. This is pretty good too. And the left one is there's a dessert called zamando. So all the slicing the half side. It's around about 865 yen. It's about the 570 yen. This is very good. You have to try this one.